I am not a Balrog. No, just no. YouTube. It just must be right. What are you doing down there? So just be warned, if you don't like trees or dogs, you've come to the wrong place. Hello and welcome. How are you all doing? We are in Moreton-in-Marsh today. Well, started from Moreton-in-Marsh. So parked in Hospital Road. So we are walking from Moreton-in-Marsh on the way to Bourton-on-the-Hill. And then from Bourton-on-the-Hill, we go around to Loughborough. And then from Loughborough, head back towards Moreton-in-Marsh. I'll put a little map up on the screen now for you. So this map starts from the train station, but we're actually starting from Hospital Road, just a couple of streets away. We head through the fields on the way to Batsford Arboretum, hang a left, go into Bourton-on-the-Hill, and then we make the long way along to Loughborough, crossing that manor house, into Loughborough, and then back round through all the open farming fields, back to Moreton-in-Marsh. So yeah, the route is about 7 miles, I believe, altogether, so it's a long one again. Well, long for me, anyway. The longest one I've ever done was the Bourton-on-the-Water and the Upper and Lower Slaughter, which was just over 7 miles as well. So it's about the same sort of distance as that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Come along on the journey. We'll see what we can find, see what we can do. Some bar lambs. Morning. It's okay, you're safe. I'm a vegetarian. So if this is the first time that you're watching me, welcome. Welcome to the channel. So we go on adventures. Every single Friday I do put out a walk, a bit of a hike, a bit of a leisurely stroll, let's be honest. Anywhere really, and we just see what we can find, see what we can do. I just film it the best I can and bring you along with me on the journey. If you like that sort of thing, then please subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video, please like it. Proper squelchy mud coming through here. So it looks like we actually cross a lot of farmland today, so we might see quite a bit of wildlife, not just like farm animals and things, but hoping to see a few kites, a few buzzards maybe. Sheepses. Beautiful speckled faces. Oh, we have a Gandalf in the midst. I am not a Balrog. I am not a Balrog. He definitely doesn't want to move, does he? I don't blame him. Hello, sir. You're on the telly. More sheeps. We started getting into a bit more of the countryside now. So it's gone a little bit further away from Moreton-in-Marsh now, Moreton-in-Marsh. I said before, we should be coming up to Batsford Arboretum. Now, I've only ever been to a Batsford Arboretum once. They have a falconry centre. It's a really good sort of place to go, actually. In this time of year, they do have some absolutely beautiful acers. So really, really recommend that as well. But yeah, see if we can get a little bit of footage of Batsford if we can. This is it's very, very autumnal. So the app I use is All Trails, and I've been assured that there's not a lot of elevation in this walk. So although it's just over 7 mile, there's not a lot of up and down really. It's relatively flat. A lot of people describe it as an easy walk as well, just if you're thinking of doing it yourself. It is quite muddy, as you can see. The old boots have got God knows what, to be honest. It looks a little bit light brown for me, but a lot of sheep back there. A lot of sheep that are probably doing a lot of pooping. But anyway. But yeah, I definitely recommend boots. I believe just over there is Batsford Arboretum. That's where they do the falconry, and it's a great big garden centre and all sorts of bits as well. Well worth a visit if you're this way. So this is the main entrance if you go to Batsford Arboretum. You drive up there. So just following us back down to the main road now by the looks of it. I can't figure out if they're brown or if they're just muddy. There's those beautiful autumnal reds that we all love. Stunning. Right, it's onto the A46. So this is Moreton on the Hill. It's not too far along this road, so I think it's like the third road on the left, the fourth road on the left. It's got Boughton House Garden there. Never been there, but looks like you have to pay to get in, but might be worth going to at some point. So we're swinging a left here off the main A46. Just on the road now to Loughborough. So yeah, picking up onto the Heart of England way. Beautiful church bells in the background there. So Loughborough does have quite a lot of history actually, which I'll go into more when we're actually in the centre. And I'm going to try and find a few of the little spots that they recommend that you look at. So we'll see what we can find. Long stone wall here. So I know, as I've mentioned before, the whole point of my videos really is to give you a taste of what the walk's going to be like, what sort of conditions are at times of year and things like that. And what you can see, I'm not going to show you the whole walk obviously, because if you want to come and do it yourself, you can, but I'll show you a majority of it. I know there's obviously people out there as well that would love to be able to do what I'm doing now, that don't have that opportunity for whatever reason. So you're always welcome to come and join me on these videos wherever I go. You know what to do if you're enjoying this video. Please like, please subscribe. It's completely free. It really, really helps the channel. Just a look back there towards Moreton on the hill. Some vast forests and woods around here. So it looks like we are hanging the left-hand side of that there, going up the little track. It's been quite nice because although there's been like hills and things around me, like with Batsford and stuff over there, and there's quite a lot of, as you can see, on a bit of an undulation at the moment, but it doesn't really feel like you're going uphill or downhill really. It's quite nice. It's been relatively flat. So I think what they said on the app was probably true to their word, which is always good. The berries on that tree. Fantastic contrast. Squelchy. So I have made a recent purchase, and it is a drone, which I am very, very excited about. I have actually brought it with me today. I may use it, so you may have seen some footage already, but it is a little bit windy and it is threatening rain as well, and I don't want to be that guy that crashes his drone on the very first day. But definitely in future videos I'm going to be using that quite a lot. I need to do some test flights really and things, because I literally have just got it. I think it's literally just, there's still stickers on it that I haven't taken off yet, so, but we'll see. Because I mean, some of this that you can see around me, if we can get some nice big wide angle shots of being up in the air, then I'm sure you'll appreciate it. And I'm just excited to see what possibilities we can have. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, it's a bit odd, isn't it? Oh, it's just a push. Very confusing. Well, it is for me anyway. Right, just check the map. Yep, still the right way. Oh, this looks like a bit of an estate almost, doesn't it, here? Oh, and I do see the corner of a manor house over there, so very nice. Very nice indeed. Beautiful place. Whoever owns that house that you can't, it's just obscured by those trees at the moment, but very, very lucky. I hope they know how lucky they are. Oh, just see the manor house coming into view there, just up on the hill. Wow. Absolutely stunning grounds here. Bit of stepping stone action. Try and get a better glimpse of that house. Hopefully I can sort of see it still, but it's what a fantastic setting in the trees there, hidden away from the world. Everybody wants to walk through a gate marked private. What a lovely little place to be. Oh wow. What a magnificent building. I assume that they own all this land. There's a great big, the little pond that I went through just, I think, feeds into that lake there. Beautiful brown cows. How now? Brown cow. I bet you that is absolutely stunning. Looks like a little tuk-tuk or something as well. But yeah, wonder what that's used for. If anybody knows, comment for me. Between Moreton-on-the-Hill and Longborough. Big old manor house. Such peaceful animals, aren't they, owls? But also very heavy. Potential to crush. Always be careful around cows. Tip of the day. Just looking back there to where I've come from, so came up there. That beautiful lake carries all the way along there. How many times have I said the word stunning, but sometimes there are no other words. A lonely queue there, underneath the tree. Some good grass or something there he's got going on. Doesn't want to share that situation or that location. Go for it, fella. Go for it, lady. Proper obsessed I am with that house there, I'll tell you. It's absolutely stunning, like with this, all this ground and everything. Perfect house. If I ever get there, you can all come with me, okay? Maybe not everyone, maybe just you. No, not you, no, you, there. Yeah, you can come. Approaching a road here. Heart of England way straight on, and that's what we're following. Born on the hill, just come from there. We're off to Loughborough. Tractor on the trail. I don't think he's in it. I think I'll go up on the right. Don't want to go near the wood chipper thing, eh? You alright? You okay? Oh, is that the sun I see before me? Good heavens. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. Well, we are not too far now from Loughborough, so I do need a drink actually, but I don't want to get caught up in the wood chippings if that chap's carrying on cutting all these hedges and things. So I'll wait until I get there. Try and find a nice little place to have a sit down and we'll have a little chat about the history of Loughborough. Be nice, wouldn't it? So still on the Heart of England way at the moment. Heading towards Loughborough. It seems to be getting a little bit more built up, so I don't think we're too far away. You can see a church. Let's go and have a look at that. Get a bit of a crunch on the go. Nice little pub there as well, by the looks of it. Bit of a cenotaph. We head this way. So this is the city, I was going to say then. This is the village of Loughborough. We'll go and try and find a seat by the church somewhere. Should just be up here on the left. There she is. Right, seems a good place. Oh, let's have a rest. So, just a few random facts about Loughborough. So the church that is behind the camera right now that you just saw is actually 12th century. The name Loughborough actually comes from the Long Barrow, which is a Neolithic burial chamber that's up on a nearby hill apparently. There's been a settlement here for about 5,000 years, apparently dating all the way back to Roman times. It's also named in the Domesday Book. Could wake the dead with that bottle. It's very loud. Couldn't really say that in a graveyard, should I? Right, let's have a bit of a map check, shall we? So we're at the church. We're about, probably just over halfway actually, I think. So we're going to head back. We go through a coppice, apparently. And then, yeah, back towards Moreton-in-Marsh. 5 more minutes. Let's have a little look around this side. Look at this for a headstone. That is what you want. The memory of Samuel Shelton of Luckley Farm, who died April the 11th, 1867, aged 87 years. Also of Mary of his wife, who died on June the 9th, 1875, aged 85 years. That's an amazing headstone you have there, people. That's also very look at these. It's the sort of thing that we used to make tissue paper robins of when we were kids. Remember that? Get the wax crayons out, go to the local graveyard and start doing some gravestone rubbins. They still do that? Seems a little bit weird these days, doesn't it, to me, but it seemed a little bit weird back then, so yeah. But yeah, any teachers listening, yeah, do they still do that? We had some weird school trips back in the day. Right, so we've got signposts here for the Monarch's Way. Oh, I love the bells. What's that? 11:30. Just need to make sure we are going the right way here. Oh yeah, I'm in the right. More or less. I do love this sign here. No, just no. Still not quite coming out sunshiny, is it really? Still overcast as it was forecast. It's not rain though, but the wind is a bit high. I was hoping to get the drone back out on the way back, but I don't know. Don't know why I'm so nervous about it really. Yeah, I suppose for other people that does make quite a good halfway stop there. You could stop at the Coach and Arms pub that was there. There is also a little community cafe and shop apparently, which look very nice. Yeah, with the church in the background. It's beautiful. Nice little village, very quaint. So we are following the Monarch's Way here. Back into the sheeps. How you doing, people? You all good? I'm a vegetarian. I've said it before. I told a flock up there. Oh no. Don't believe me. A man that big cannot be a vegetarian. I don't know why sheep's got that accent, but... Oh, can you see the light coming across the fields? Hello, sir. You know the score, don't you? Oh, it's a bit of a muddy butt, that one. Right, announcement to all the sheep. Can we all please like and subscribe? Adventures of the Corpse. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. YouTube, do you get it? YouTube. Find me on it, kid. Find me on it. You won't regret it. Bye, YouTube. Right, picked back up onto, well, not picked back up onto, I think we've been following it for a little while now, on the Monarch's Way. Oh, this is quite a small gap. Oh. We're in. Right. Do I need to climb this? I don't think I do I? Surely. I think I do. Right. First style. First Harry Styles. Oh, this isn't one to hold on much to either. Got muddy, wet boots. Will I survive? Oh, he's done it. He's down. Right, let's hope this was the right choice. Can see a faint path. See a faint path. So it must be right. Must be. It just must be right. So it is Halloween today. So anybody that enjoys Halloween, enjoys a bit of a scare, maybe a few jump scares, things like that, I do have a video if you haven't already seen it, and it's actually on a local place to me called Meon Hill. It's about a unsolved UK true crime murder. Happened not so long ago, really. Happened in the 1940s, during the wartime. During the war. Yeah, go and check it out. It's got a little bit of history in there. Got a walk in there as well. Walking up the hill and whatnot. Trying to find my way. It's got a lot of bits about witchcraft. The sort of pagan sort of traditions that are attached to that environment. So yeah, go and check it out on the channel. What are you doing down there? I think this style has already had a large gentleman, shall we say, step on it, because I don't think that's meant to be on the floor. What sort of devilry is this? Right, trees, my fascination with trees. I will always stop for two things. One of them is a beautiful looking tree, like the one you just saw, and the other one is dogs. So just be warned, if you don't like trees or dogs, you've come to the wrong place. Right. Oh, that was an adventure. It's a shame because these fields, the fields that I'm going through at the moment would have been perfect to get some drone footage up. But it is just spitting now. As you can see, it's quite cloudy around as well. So, and the wind as well is getting up. You can sort of hear it in the tops of them trees. So yeah, I'm sure. Oh, I was so tempted, but yeah, like I said, I don't want to be that guy. Next time, definitely next time. Bit of kite action. Nice bit of background rain there for you. From one field to the next. Would be nice just to have a little bit of sun, do you know what I mean? Just a little bit. I think every walk has these sort of sections where you just want to sort of get your head down and just crack on, because there's not a massive amount going on. Though it is beautiful, surroundings are fantastic, but not a lot to sort of concentrate on, especially when you're getting battered by the wind and the rain. Still rather be out here though than anywhere else. So not just, this is literally Moreton-in-Marsh now, so I think that's the back of the hospital, I believe. Equestrian action. I find it fascinating the way they hover there like that. Looks like he might have seen something. It's gone. This is a bit of a mud fest down here. Down comes the rain. Officially back in civilization. Whether that's a good or a bad thing, I'll let you decide. So we're on Parker's Lane at the moment, so I parked on Hospital Road, which I believe is a left here. Do a little cut through. Moreton 8. So coming out of Parker's Lane, and that is Hospital Road where I'm parked, just straight across. Quite a busy road this, so we'll get across here nice and safe. And there is the cute little white butt of the van. Oh, glad to get out of that rain. So thank you very much for watching. Appreciate if you've made it this far to the end of the video. Obviously, please like and subscribe if you enjoy it. It really, really helps the channel. and I will see you on the next one.